Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, good morning. Yes, I can hear.
Okay, fine. How are you?
Good, how are you, sir?
I'm also fine. Okay, so for my channel YouTube now I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording the with software. I'm not doing the live now because it was not working. I saw that. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, let me share my screen. Today we will do. Will you speak something, please? Let me see if your voice is recording or not here.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
So
yeah. It's recording. Sorry.
today we did the loops. Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, so you can hear my voice, right? Clearly.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Correct.
fine. Okay, let's start it. Today we have to do the nested loops. Okay, we'll do the nested loop today.
Okay.
Okay, let me open
Yes.
my Visual Studio Code. So, do you have any idea about the loop or nested loop?
Um, so yeah, nested loop. So it's a loop inside loop.
Yes, correct,
Uh, uh-huh.
correct. Yes, we will do this one. Okay, okay. Simple definition is okay. Not only nested loops. We will do the patterns also. Okay, like with the help of loops, how we can make patterns. Okay, we will do this today.
Okay.
So yeah, it will be helpful for you in the testing also. So yeah, we'll do this also. Patterns means like you can see making the pattern like this. Have you
Your
done in
voice
the
is
Java?
breaking.
Okay. Have you seen the patterns like this?
I I have practiced this one, but I have never used it at my work. Yes,
Okay, fine.
in Java. Mhm.
Let's start with the loops.
Mhm.
My voice is breaking.
It's
Is
sometimes breaking. Yeah, let's continue. Maybe it's good.
okay. No worries. In the recording, its sound is fine. In the recording, you can also see that. But yeah, I'm trying my best to keep the voice fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, nested loop. So the nested loop is a loop inside the loop. A nested loop is a loop inside another loop. Okay. So simple explanation you can see here. The outer loops runs first, and for each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loops runs completely. So we write like this.
Your voice is very much breaking. I even cannot understand.
Okay. So how can I do this now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
I don't have your voice if you're speaking.
Can you hear me now?
I don't have your voice if you're speaking.
Okay. Hello, hello, hello.
Can you hear me? I don't have.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay, fine. Let's start. Okay, so the syntax goes like this. For I in range 2, for j in range 3, so print I and j. Okay, so this is the outer loop and this is the inner loop, and this is how we print the values. So let me outer loop, inner loop. For example, if I say suppose we are having what we can say. Suppose we are having two rows, and in each rows there is 3 columns. Okay, so yeah, so that thing, how will you uh, why suppose yeah, so like how you will do it, like how will you go through each of the element. Suppose you are having 2 rows and 3 columns. Yeah, suppose there is element here. Okay, so how will you go to each element? So you have to use the for loop like this one. So what you will do, you will first, your loop will be in the first row. Okay, then it will go in the second row. So when it will be in the first, it will do the first element, second element, then third element. After completing this, then it will go to the next one, and it will be the first element, second element, and third element. So this is how the loops goes. Are you able to understand? First,
So is it mean
second,
like
third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this.
So it's going to complete the first row, row.
Yes,
Then when the first row is completed, then it's going to move to the second one.
yes, correct. So first it will complete the first one and then it will go to the second one, right? Within
Okay.
within each row we are having multiple elements, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so that kind of problem you can do with this kind of coding. So for example, if I run this, see, okay, let's start with the first. See, first row, first element, first row, second element, first row, third element, right? After doing all this, then it will go to the second row. Second row, first element, second row, second element, second row, third element, right?
Okay.
Yes, like this. So yeah, this is the for loop where like you might have, like for example, let me show you data. Suppose you are having a data like this. Data like, yes, data like this. Yeah, this one. So how will you do this? Like with the help of loop, how will you go to each element and read it? How many rows are there? How many columns are there?
Okay. So there are 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
5 rows.
So how will you write
Correct.
this code? Yes. How will you write this code?
So in that case, we had 3 columns. Okay. And mm, we will do. Okay. Then in that case, we'll do for I in range of 1 to 3. Then the j will be 1 to 5.
Uh, okay, so this is for what do you think? This is for what? This is for row or
That's
column?
for column.
Okay, but but you will go to the row first, then you will cover column. You change the row, then you cover the column. So if you are yes, so for the rows we are taking the outer loop. This one. This is not for column.
Oh,
This is for
this
rows.
is
Yeah, this is for rows,
whoa.
and this is for column. Okay. So
Okay.
now tell me, according to this,
Then in that case, we will have 1 5. The I will be 1 5 because there are 5 rows, and j will be 1 3.
1 3 means 1 4. Okay. See this. First row, first column, second column, third column. Yes, correct. Then second element, second row, correct. Then third row, fourth row, then fifth row. Right? right?
I'm sorry, I don't have your voice.
Oh, can you hear me? Yeah, see, this is the output. You can see over here.
I don't understand. I mean, I don't have your voice.
Really? Wait, let me see. Okay, so you can see the output here, right? First row, first element, second element, third element, and second row. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see, but we have up to 5 rows, but it's only 3.
See this? No, no. See this one. This 1, 2, 3 is for the column, and the first one. This is for the rows.
Oh, okay.
See, first row, first element. First row, second element. First row, third element. Do you understand?
So the first one, yeah, the first one is row like 1, 1, 1, 2,
Yeah, yeah,
2,
yeah.
2.
Yeah, let me write it. Yeah, let me write it. See, this is the row number. Don't get confused this one. This is the row
Okay.
and this is the column. Yeah, see this. Now see this. This is the row and second is column. This is the row and this is the column.
Okay. Yeah, now I understand. Okay.
Yeah. Then second row. See this. Right?
Yes.
Second row all the elements. Then third row all the column. Right? Like this. So it is very necessary. Okay, let me tell me one more thing. Suppose if we have 3D data, like we cannot see 3D data. Okay, no problem. We cannot imagine the that nested loop. Okay, so this was the nested loop. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The browser yeah. So why nested loops are important in testing? Simple definition: nested loops help test multiple combination automatically. So I'm going by your testing profession. So it is telling according to your profession, like where you can use the this nested loops. Instead of writing repetitive code, we can use the loops to generate test cases. So for example, you suppose you have two browser like Chrome and
Okay.
Firefox,
Mm-hmm.
and you have three operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac. Okay, three.
Okay.
So with the help of Chrome, you will go to all the operating system, and then with the Firefox you will go to the all the operating system. Okay, so how will you do this? So what you will do, your browser will be having, your browser will be Chrome and Firefox, and your laptop and device, or no problem, you can take the laptop or mobile, whatever. So what you will do, how will you do the nested loop over this one? So for the Chrome, you will go to both of the devices, and with the Firefox you will go with the both of the devices. So how will you do this with the loops? So you will write for browser in browser, so it will take each browser one at a time, and then for device in devices, so it will go to all the devices here, and it will keep on printing the browser and device. See, once the Chrome, it checked for Chrome in the both devices, laptop and mobile, and
Okay.
then with the Firefox it checked the whole both devices, laptop and mobile again. So this is how you can, like in your testing or in your profession, if you want to, if you want to do multiple elements in multiple times, you can use a
Okay.
nested loops, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So real life testing example, cross browser testing is one of the most common uses of loops. So do you people do cross browser testing in your profession?
I have done, but not in current project.
Okay, yeah. So this example which I showed you here is the best example,
Mhm.
right?
Okay.
So, and are you able to understand this, because this is little bit complex. So if you are able to understand this, then please let me know. Otherwise, I will explain again.
It's a little confusing for me, so I'm just trying to understand.
Okay. Because yes, because list we have not done yet, right? This brackets list we have not done yet, but
Mm-hmm.
you can assume it as a you can say a list of items. There is two items, and here we have
Okay.
two items again. So what this browser will do? It will take the Chrome first, and it will check the both devices. Okay. This is, you can understand, this is a row, and these both are columns. The next row will be the Firefox, and this will be the two columns. Can you understand it now?
Yes, I believe. Yeah.
Chrome, first Chrome, and then two devices. Then Firefox, then two devices. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So what doubt you are facing?
So, mm, so yeah, this one is a little complicated.
Okay, so like how can I help you here?
And I think just I need to make my note. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
that's good. We can move on. Then I will ask tomorrow because I need to have a repetition with myself.
Okay, so all right. So there is no other example. Okay, let me give you more example, simple example. Okay, so for the, okay, now you have the Chrome here, and you have Firefox. Okay, and this is your, and then we have three elements. You can say mobile, tab, and laptop, mobile, tab, and laptop. So how will you go through each element now for the for loop? You have to check for each browser and each devices also. How will you do this? What will be your order?
So we first go through the rows, then we go to the column.
So column rows means Chrome, right? You will have
Yes.
Chrome and then first element
It will be, I believe, mobile. Yeah.
mobile, then
Yeah.
same row, then next element,
It's a tab.
yes, then then
Then the laptop.
laptop. Okay, now all are done. Now next row, right? Which element, which device?
That will be, that was mobile.
Okay, and next element,
It will be the tab one.
yeah, and the Firefox and the
Laptop.
laptop. So are you able to understand? You have checked this, all of
Yeah,
them, right?
correct. Now it's clear.
Yeah, it's clear. So see the why we use nested loops. Nested loop is help us because see if you do single loop, suppose you are not using the you are just doing the single loop like for I in range. What it will do? Will you able to go through each element with the help of normal loop?
Uh,
No.
I don't. I believe it's not possible.
Yeah, it's not possible because you can only go through this the only single item, this one only rows. You can go by only rows, not the column. If you go into deep into column, you have to within that particular iteration you have to run it again 3 times, right? For all three
Correct.
items. Then you change the next iteration, then again you have to run 3 times, right? So in that case we need the uh, okay, tell me one more thing. Suppose if we are having a data of, you can say, 10 rows and it is having 10 columns, then what do you think? How our for loop will look like?
Then we have to have divide it into 10, 10
If
columns
you
and 10
if
rows.
you have to go to each of the element, so how will
Mhm.
you write the for loop?
Oh, the for loop.
Yeah.
In that case, what I need to write it. For example, we had the for range.
Uh-huh.
For example, for I in range, then we have to provide 1
For
to
I,
11.
yes, for I in range, you say 11, correct. Then,
This is for row, but then we are going to the column, and column we will say for we will use inner loop or the nested loop, which is for j in range to again 11, because both
yeah,
of them are 10.
correct, like this. And then you can
Or
print that
yeah,
particular item. Yes.
to make it more clear, we can say let's have more columns.
Mm-hmm.
Of, then it will be more like clear. Let's say instead of 10, we have like 12 column, and then we keep the 10
Uh,
rows.
12 column for what?
Just to make it, because now both numbers are same, so it's a little confusing to understand which for is for.
Yeah. Okay, let's make it simple. Suppose this is 100 and
Yeah, correct.
this is 20.
Yeah,
Now,
correct.
so this will be 101.
100.
Yeah.
Yeah, 101, correct.
And for 20 column we have to go to 21 element, right?
Yeah.
So it will cover all
Just
the element, right?
yeah. Just in case if you want to start from the middle somewhere, for example, we will say 20, comma 101,
Right.
correct?
Yes, correct. If you want
And
to,
then
like, suppose you want to skip 50% of the rows, then you have
uh-huh.
to like start from 50
Mm-hmm.
to 105, 101, right?
Yeah. Correct. Yes.
So it will only do this one. And if you want to
Yeah.
do only the half column, then you have
Yes.
to start from the 10, right?
Correct. Yes.
10 to 21. Okay, very nice. Fine. You are able to understand this now. So this is very important. Okay, now how we will use whatever we have learned in this one nested loop, we will use in this pattern. Okay, so if you'll make
Okay.
patterns, then it will be used. And yeah, the working, you can see the working of the nested loops now. See, introduction to the patterns. So simple definition: a pattern is a structured arrangement of characters, numbers, and symbols. Simple explanation, you can see patterns help us understand how nested loop works. See this. Now you will see the nested loop in a working condition. Okay, the real application of nested loop. Fine, you will see this here.
Yes.
Okay, so once you understand the pattern, writing complex code logics become easier. Yes, see, this topic is little bit difficult, because if you understand the patterns, how to write the pattern, how to make it, the logic of your loop will be more clear. Okay, because you will know how the loop works.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's very necessary that you learn this. Okay, so if I say for I in range and print the star, how does it look like in here? Let's see. How does it look like? This one.
So it's just returning us in range the three stars
But do you know the reason why each star is in the different line?
because it's each of them is one in different row.
Different row. Okay, but why it is not printing in a single row, and how we can do it? Do you know in the Python how we can do it?
Okay, how to do it? In that case, okay, and we have to in the range we need to provide something.
No, no, not that. Let me tell you. See, you can see this function. It is due to the function print. Okay, this one.
Yes.
So by default, what happens here? By default, the AND is the next line. Next line. See, it's next line always. What is the meaning of this next line? Wait. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, in that case, we can provide an L for the
Yeah. See,
print ln.
because it is Alan, we cannot do it. Is I think it's in the Java.
Oh, okay. So in Java, that's video. Okay.
Yeah, here this is slash n. Slash. What is the meaning of slash n? Slash n means next line. Okay. It ends with the next line. It means after printing star, it will go to the next line. This is the meaning.
Okay.
Yes. So it is by default. See this. It's not like it's by default. It's by the value of and. The value and is next line by default. Okay. If you will do the space, by default. It will not do the next line now. See this. See.
Oh, okay, that's good to know.
Yeah. So the and is very important to understand. So for this one it was line change, but this is not line change, it is just a space. If you give this the dash, then it will include the dash in the middle. See,
Okay.
everything dependent upon this. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, next thing is okay, now I will ask you to, like, we will understand the pattern first. So let's make this pattern. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, now you tell me how many rows and how many columns we are having here.
So we have both 3, 3.
3, 3. So what do you think? How I can write this for loop?
Okay, so we have column. Now we have to add after column row for loop. We need to write a nested loop.
Okay, from the beginning,
So
tell me, yeah, from here.
okay, so then we have for let's start for the for loop. For example, I in range of 3, since we are 3, and then the next line again we have another for loop, and next for loop we have a for in range of j and 3, yeah.
Okay,
In range of,
3. Okay,
and
nice.
then we are going to say print,
Yeah.
and in print we just provide the star, yeah.
Okay, let's do this and let's see. But see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just doing 9, but in the next line every time.
So in that case,
So what? Let me tell you what we have to fix first. See this. The first row and the first three elements. It means the first row. First row means this is responsible for the first row, but the 3 elements over here, these are responsible by this one, the inner loop, right?
correct.
So, but our 3 element is coming as the next line, and this is coming as a straight line. So I told you how we can do this in a straight line. How we
Okay.
can do, yeah.
Okay, then we have to provide the keyword end.
Yes. It should
Equal
end with the
to,
space, right? Ends with the space. Just a simple
yes.
space.
Uh-huh.
See this. Okay, now everything is coming in the in a straight line. So how we can break the line after 3 iteration? After it completes this 3 times, how we can do the next line?
Okay, so then we can add like end the keyword.
Yeah, what we can do, we have to write here after, because see this will do three stars, right? Because it will be
Okay.
completed. After it is completed, it will go to this line. Then what you can do here, you can write print, just a print, simple print. So what it will do, it will we already know that the by default in the print it is next line, right? So it will change the line here. Okay, let me do it. See this. These three were printed in a same row just because of this, and after it completed this inner loop, okay, it will directly jump to the next statement, which is outside the loop. It is just print.
Okay.
Print means it will go to the next line, and next line three star will be printed, and because the row will change and the column will also run 3 times, so it will print 3 stars here. I know it's little bit too much to understand.
Okay. So I printed.
Okay, let me ask you, are you able to understand till this point?
Yeah, I understand, but there is I don't understand how does it work at the back end. You know, I understand what it does, but how it's working at the back end, I mean, if you can draw a table, I don't know if you can draw one.
Okay, okay, yes, correct. Let me show you. See, we did for I in range, that 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 line, right? Then we did for j in range. It was for I in range, and then it was for j in range, right? And then we printed the star, right? And and the star, and it was the end with the space, right? So this will run first, and this will run 3 times, right? So it will produce 3 stars like this: star 1, star 2, and star 3. Okay, so this will run 3 times like this. 3 times. This both code will run 3 times. Okay, so it produced a, what we can say, it produced a 3 stars, right? Now after, like after it executed this line of code, now the Python will come out to the next line here.
Okay.
So here you can play with it, because you want to you want your patterns to be start from here now, right? In the new line here,
Okay.
not here. So you want it to change the line, so you can do the print here, just a simple print. So what it will do, it will change the line here. Now the pointers come here, so now it will run again for I in range, and it will do again 3 times of the star, 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 like this. Again it will go here, after doing 3 times it will go to this point, and it will change the line, so the line will come over here. Again it will go back to the for loop, and then this will run 3 times both. So star, star, star again in the same line, like this. This is how it works.
Okay, now it makes sense. Thank you. Good.
Okay, so yeah, do you have any doubt, you want to ask anything?
No, it's good now. Thank you. You
Okay,
explained it well.
okay, thanks. Okay, but the things doesn't end here. We still have a lot of patterns. See, difficult ones. Okay, so let me show you an example, testing example, like how we can use this in the testing field. Think of this: 3 test suits, 3 test cases in each suit. Every row is a test suit, and every star is a test case. So you can understand like that. In each suits there is test cases. That is an example in your terms. Do you know what is suits
Yeah.
in testing?
Yes. Yes.
and we have multiple test cases in the each suit,
In
right?
this video. Yeah.
Yeah. So that can be done in the for with the help of multiple nested loops. Okay, now see what we did the normal pattern, right? It was not increasing, decreasing, nothing. It was just stable. But now we will do the increment, which will increase by the time. See this: 1 star, then the 2 star, then 3 star, then 4 star, like this. Okay.
Okay.
So how we will do this? You watch this code and take your 2 minutes, try to understand it, then I will explain.
For I in the range of 1 to So isn't it the same one we did?
Mm-hmm.
Where
Now
it increment? I don't see.
let me show you. The increment is here. Yeah. This code was like this 3 3, both of them are 3 3. But
Okay.
here it is the row is 1 to 5 and column is not 1 to 5. It's dependent upon the row now. Which row number is going on. Let me keep it very simple. Let me show you something before making logic. So this is the pattern, right? Right? Okay. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay. So this is the row number which one? First, right?
Yes.
And this is the first column. And this is second column, right? This is third column. And this is second row, first column, second column. This is third row, first element, second element, third element, right?
Okay.
Okay, now suppose you are running a for loop for I in range. Yeah, for I in range, you know how many rows you have to go.
I have to go to 3.
3. So you will write 3. Okay. Okay. So how many elements you have to print in the column?
Oh, one.
Now see
Yeah.
this.
For.
This
Uh-huh.
this cannot be 3 as you have written in the this one. This cannot be 3 because for the first row it is only 1. For the second row it's 2. For the
Correct.
third element it is 3. It's not 3. It is 1 2 3, right? It's
Yes.
1, then 2, then 3. How what should I write here that it keep on changing then?
Mm, I don't know. Like I don't. I think I like I
Your thinking is not working, huh?
Yeah. Correct. I mean, I can tell you just I because I saw it, but I don't understand why I.
Okay. Why I?
And then
Yes,
just
you are correct.
I just yeah. I
Okay,
mean,
have you
I just
noticed?
it.
Yes, have you noticed one thing that in the first row there is one element. In the second row there is two element. In the third row there is three element. Have you noticed this?
Yeah, it's increment. This part is increment.
Yes. So this is your this is your I, right? This is your I.
Correct. Okay.
So you can use this
Oh,
value, yeah. You can use
okay.
these
That's why
values
we
for
write
your inner
I.
loop. Yeah, you can use this value for your
Correct.
inner loop. So first time when it will run, this will be 1, right? So you need 1 star. Then it will be 2. You need 2 star, right? Then it will
Wait.
be 3 in the third time. So there will be 3 star. Just 1 minute.
I think we need a print.
We need a print to change the line. Yeah, I think I need to increase this one.
Yeah,
Let's
because
increase
it will
some
not
values.
include the last number.
Yeah,
Mhm.
let's increase some values so we get the bigger pattern. See this. First row 1 star, second row 2 star, third row 3 star, right? Because of I.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, you can see this. Okay, so this is a very simple one, and you can try this, you can practice this, and let me show you. Okay, let me give you one homework. Okay, so homework is you can try. Wait, how can I do? Yeah, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1. This is decrement, right? Can you try?
Okay.
This is the fourth row, 4 rows and 4 column, right? So can you try this?
So in that case, okay, yeah.
So do you have any
So
idea
for
like how you can do this?
we use the minus uh,
Yes, correct. But
minus the
where? But
number.
where minus? Where minus where?
Minus, for example, in the first row, for I in the range of minus, for
Okay,
example,
okay.
minus 2.
Let's do this here. Yeah, let's try this here. Tell
Yes,
me.
let's try this one.
Suppose it
So
is
here we have the
5. Yeah, because it is 4.
uh-huh,
It is 4 element. Yeah. Now tell me.
yes. Just before 5, just say minus 5.
Okay. But here you are saying here.
Yes.
But if I decrease this one, it will not go to all the rows. It will, the triangle will be very short. If you decrease anything in the rows,
Oh, yeah, correct.
you have to do
Then in
something
that
in the
case,
column. Yeah, you have to do something in the column.
correct.
This one.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so then we can say minus I.
Okay, let me keep it very simple. For the first row, how many you want to produce? Star
As 4.
4. So can we keep it I? Okay, let's start with the 1. Let's start with the 1, 2, 5, right? So
Correct.
this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Number like this, correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what do you think? What will be the I? You want first time you want the 4 stars. How will you run this
Correct.
4 times? This one. How will you run this 4 times?
Okay, so with the print method,
No, you have to do something here because this is the responsible that how many times this loop will run.
okay, in that case we can say say minus I comma minus 1 comma I.
Minus 1 comma I.
Yes.
So it will go from minus 1 to I. So for it will be, suppose it is 1. So it will be minus 1 to 1. Then minus 1 to 2. But minus doesn't work here in the range.
Doesn't work. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Okay, let me tell you. Shall I tell you?
Yeah, sure, please.
See, you want to get 4 here, right? Right? And in the next one you want 3, right?
Okay.
You in the next you want 2 then 1, right?
Correct.
Why don't you take this as a 5 minus I? Because what will be the values of your I? It will be, your I will be like this. I will be, first it will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, something like this, right?
Correct.
If in the 5 you will decrease 1, it will be 4, right? So 4 star.
Mm-hmm.
In the next one, 5 minus 2, how much it is?
Root 3.
So 3 star it will give you, right? Then in the next iteration, 5 minus 3, how many iteration?
It will be 4.
5 minus 3, how much it is?
Oh, 2.
So 2 star.
Mm.
5 minus 4, 1
1.
star, right? So let me run this, see this pattern is there. I'm just using the value of I because it will keep on changing. It will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So I'm subtracting with the 5. So in the 5 I'm decreasing 1 for the first time, so I will get 4 star. Second time I'm decreasing 2 in the 5, so I'm getting 3. I know it's difficult to understand.
Now it's easy. Now it's good. Yeah, you explain it well.
Yeah. You know what, if you see the recording, you can see the recording, you will understand it more, you'll understand it more, right? If you watch the
Yes.
recording, I will provide you in the YouTube, right?
Okay.
Okay, let me show you the practice question we have here. So let's not do the practice because we have not done this one number pattern. uh, okay, no problem. I will give the questions little bit simpler in the WhatsApp, right?
Okay.
All right, fine.
Yes.
Okay, so that, yeah, both of the topics is clear. Now in the next class we will do the next topic. Let me show you which is the next topic. It is string and string methods we will do, and homework questions I will provide you soon. Fine.
Yeah, and also, can you please help me with the Python installation after stopping this
Yeah, yeah,
recording?
yeah, 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 yeah. Correct. Yes, just 1 minute. Stop.